I mean, dude, it's impressive.
Yeah. So, all right. Sounds good to me. So just let me know what the next step would be.
Yeah. So I will get you your onboarding links right now.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
And basically, you're going to have your onboarding call with Chris. He's my right-hand guy. He'll onboard your Facebook assets. He'll get your GoDaddy login to obviously have the site customized and whatnot. And then after that, then we get you inside of your Slack chat. Okay, your Slack chat is where you communicate with me and my team. We'll ask you of deliverables. It's not a lot of work, man. Just a little bit of work in the beginning because we need you to help us get into the accounts and get your brand voice, all that stuff. So it's not going to require a shit ton of work. It's just expected. It's just common sense. Like, we're a new team. We have to get adjusted to your business. We just need to ask you questions, and we're just going to ask you for feedback for the first probably maybe 2 weeks, but not like every single 5 minutes. I'm talking about maybe like 1 to 2 questions a day. Nothing crazy, man, other than your onboarding call.
Sure. Okay.
And then what we do is I give you flexibility on payments. So you asked, $1,500 a month. So what we do is we have a 3-month commitment. Okay, so you pay that for 3 months because, in my personal opinion, that is what it takes to really seek out the results that you want. We need enough time. Okay, so that's just what we expect from you. After those 3 months are up, you can go month to month, or you don't have to sign anything at all. You can leave. Doesn't matter what you do. But I just ask that you obligate to those 3 months, not because I want to make more money, but because I can't bring you the results that you want in just 30 days. That's fucking impossible. I'm just being very blunt and honest with you. And if business owners expect that, then it's probably not for you, but I'm just setting expectations.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Okay.
What happens? I mean, like I said, I'm not doing any advertising really, so other than the occasional boost post on, Instagram, which those don't really seem to.
Well, it's because they're not conversion campaigns. That's the point. So we have a developer who's going to go into your landing page for that beard oil, and we'll enhance it with better copy, better graphics. Like, it's going to be a higher converting landing page so that when you do send traffic, we now have conversion campaigns. What you're running right now is just boost post. You don't own any data when you run a boost post. You don't have a Facebook pixel attached to it that's taking all the data and storing it. So that's why when I talk about retargeting and top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, we know where these people are coming into, and now we can retarget them because we own the data now. So now every single dollar you spend on ads moving forward, you own the data, not Facebook or Instagram. You now have your own pixel where you can store all of your customers, all your visitors, all your ad engagers, and you now own that data to retarget or leverage moving forward.
Give it a try, see what happens.
All right, cool. All right, so I just need a couple minutes from you. Is that okay?
Sure.
All right, cool. So I'm going to send you 2 links over Instagram right now. One is your onboarding call with Chris, and the second one is your onboarding form. Okay. You don't have to do all this right now. I'm just giving you all of the deliverables so that you're not in the dark. I don't want you to feel confused or anything because it's not what my job here is to do. I'm a very transparent person. I set the right expectations because the last thing I want is you being an aggravated client or customer. I don't do that. Okay. I've been in this niche for 4 years. I have a massive reputation. I do not want to have you come to me in 7 days and be like, dude, what the fuck is going on? That's not my intention at all. I set clear expectations. I'm going to tell you like it is. I'm transparent. That's the way it is. I can't have my name being tarnished. Okay. So within this onboarding call, you're going to need to be on desktop. Okay. So I'm pretty sure you can obviously do that. And then your onboarding form, you can fill out after the onboarding form is completed. You will then get sent to a Google form. That Google form is going to ask you a ton of questions about the business. You don't have to go crazy in depth with the answers because they're just very simple, emotional trigger questions. It just helps us write better copy for the product. Okay. And then let me see here. After that, you go to the Google form, then you're done. I will send you a link later on today because once payment is processed, it takes a couple hours for your Slack channel to be created because we have an automation. I will send you a link later on that will allow you to join the Slack chat, which is me. My whole team is in there. We're already there to welcome you. And that's where all the deliverables will then be met. But your onboarding call is your first touch point. That's what Chris, where we get all this stuff started. So I want to set that expectation. And then let me see here. Okay. For your payment, do you want to use a debit card, credit card? Like what kind of card is it?
It's my business debit.
Is it a Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or Amex?
Visa.
Okay. And what is your last name? Okay. And then, okay, this is for the 1,500. And then I'll send you the receipt to that email. And then also your welcome email will go there as well because we have an automation that sends it to you as well. And then on top of that, you will be all set to go. Just give me 1 second while I pull up the invoice. Okay. And then one other thing that I do need is, what is your billing address? Because I do have to send you that 3-month agreement. It's nothing insane. You own all the assets. You're just agreeing to the payments. The refund policy. There's also like a chargeback policy. It's not things to scare you, but we've had people in the past who have worked with us, who we've done stuff with. We've given them assets, and then they decide to kick us out of the accounts, and I just won't tolerate that. I'm setting an expectation as well because we all expect people to be adults. But I have to cover my ass. That's just the way it is. And you cover your ass as well because you own all the assets.
Sure.
Okay. What is a good billing address that's attached to the LLC? All right. And then when you have a second, what is that card number?
Do I do that on the thing, or because I don't really like to do my card?
Okay. Yeah. I'll just send you the link right now, and then you can fill it out while I'm on the phone.
Yeah.
That's fine. I got you. I understand. All right. There's the link right there. If you just check your Instagram DMs, I just sent it to you.
All right, I can do that when we get off the call.
Well, I mean, I would just rather do it right now because I have an automation that makes all this stuff go together for me for the onboarding links and whatnot. So I just need it to all link together.
Sure, hold on 1 second.
Yeah, no, you're good. All right, I appreciate that. And then I will get your agreement over right now. Just give me 1 second. Set you're all set. Okay. All right. All right. We're almost done here. Don't worry.
Taking it, that'll email me a copy of that receipt as well.
Yes. Yeah. Well, it should go right to that email. It should have went already.
Yeah, your Wojo Media.
Yes, that is me. Okay. All right.
So like I was saying on my YouTube channel, I do a lounge video like every Friday, and I was actually contemplating doing a little like 30-second video of me in the lounge, like, hey, what's going on, you bearded bastards, my
Okay, so the only thing is for the ads, you can't curse in them. So that's the only issue. But it's not that big of a deal because no one can curse in ads. It's actually not allowed. Yeah. So you got to just more so pitch the actual like beard oil itself. Yeah, it's not a big deal. I mean, I think it'd be a funny thing though. What we could do is I can get my video editors to bleep out the word bastard so it's funny. Yeah. Like that would be a cool sound in the ad. I think that would be really enticing.
Yeah, especially these days, people like drama.
Oh yeah, dude, of course. I feel you on that. Cool.
So yeah, I got some, key points and stuff. Best feeling beards. And
yeah.
Beard, made in USA. That type of stuff. I was gonna just film something on my setup upstairs and save the clip.
Yeah. Oh, of course. And then we'll get into that stuff once you get started Slack chat and stuff. I'll be in there. I'll be able to communicate with you, do some brainstorming strategy, etc. Shouldn't be a problem. But all right, you should be all set. I sent over your agreement as well. Just sign that. You don't have to do it right now. You can read on your own time. That's fine. And then other than that, man, you're all set. I sent over your links. So fill out that type form, book your onboarding call with Chris, and I will see you inside your Slack. I'll send you a link later on today or tomorrow morning once it populates, okay?
All right, sounds good.
All right, appreciate it, David. Thanks for taking the call, man, and thank you for being a part of the Wojo Media family. Appreciate it.
All right.
All right, yep. Talk to you soon.
Okay, bye.
There you go. Subscribe.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I brought run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's